Welcome to our channel. Permanently deleting your Facebook account requires specific steps and understanding the process. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Download your Facebook data first. Go to Settings, Your Facebook Information, download your information. Step 2. Navigate to Settings and Privacy, then click Settings in your Facebook account. Step 3. Click your Facebook information in the left column of the Settings page. Step 4. Select Deactivation and Deletion option from the menu. Step 5. Choose Delete Account Permanently and click Continue to Account Deletion. Step 6. Enter your password when prompted to confirm your identity. Step 7. Click Delete Account button. Facebook gives you 30 days to cancel deletion if you change your mind. Step 8. Avoid logging into Facebook for 30 days. Any login cancels the deletion process. Step 9. After 30 days, your account and all associated data will be permanently deleted. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.